Class 7 subject social lesson number 5 water. Water. When you think of water, what images come to your mind? You think of rivers, rainfalls, pitter patter of raindrops, water in your tap, children love to float paper boats in rain puddles. You think of rivers and next pitter patter raindrops when rain is coming. By noon, the puddles vanish. Where does the water go? The sun heat causes evaporation of water vapor. When the water vapor cools down, it condenses and forms clouds. From there, it may fall on the land or sea in form of rain, snow or sleet. The process by which water continually changes its forms and circulates between oceans, atmosphere and land is known as water cycle. In water cycle, we will see condensation, precipitation, evaporation and surface water. Our earth is like terrarium. Terrarium is artificial enclosure of keeping small house plants. The seawater are existing century ago is still exists today. The water used to irrigate a field in Haryana may have flowed down the Amazon River 100 years ago. This is the Amazon River. The major sources of fresh water are the rivers, ponds, springs and glaciers. The major source of fresh water are the what? Rivers and next ocean bodies. The ocean bodies and the seas contain salty water. The water of the ocean is salty or saline as it contains large amount of dissolved salt. Most of the salt is sodium chloride or the common table salt that you eat. We all know that 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water. If there is more water than land on this earth, why do so many countries face water scarcity? Is all the water on earth available to us? The following table gives the distribution of water in percentage. Oceans 97.3%, ice caps 0.0%, groundwater 0.68%, freshwater lakes 0.9%, island and seas and salt lakes 0.9%, atmosphere 0.19%, rivers 0.1%. Water distribution can be demonstrated by simple activity. Lake, stream. Do you know salinity is the amount of salt in grams present in 1000 grams of water? The average salinity of the ocean is 35 parts per thousand. Dead Sea in Israel has salinity of 340 grams per liter of water. Swimmers can float in it because the increased salt content makes it dense. Take 2 liters of water. Let it represent the total water on the surface of the earth. Measure of 12 spoons of water from this vessel into another bowl. The water that is left behind the vessel represents the salty water found in oceans and seas. The water that is left behind the vessel, this water is obviously not fit for consuming. It is saline, contains salt. The 12 spoons of water that was taken in a bowl is the total amount of fresh water on earth. The figure shows us distribution of this fresh water. Bathing 5 liters, brushing teeth 5 liters, washing clothes 50 liters, mopping the floor 3 liters, drinking 30 liters, cooking 7 liters. Total use. Water is absolutely essential for survival. Water alone can quench off our thirst when we are thirsty. Now don't you think we are wasting wasting a precious resource when we use water carelessly?